Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Saifullah and I welcome you all to STEM International. Grade 1, chapter number 7, Coding. Today, computers are everywhere. Computers are in our phones, watches and even cars. Every computer works by following instructions. जैसा कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं कि कंप्यूटर एक मशीन है और इस मशीन को काम करने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस और डायरेक्शंस की जरूरत पड़ती है. Have you ever thought about creating your own computer instructions? You could make a computer do whatever you want. It is only possible by coding. कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस प्रोवाइड करना कोडिंग कहलाता है. What is coding? A coding is the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. Unlike humans, computers are not naturally smart. They need very specific instructions written in a language they can understand. Now we will see some benefits of coding. The benefits of coding include: it enhances creativity, it builds logical thinking, it also improves your problem solving skills, it also teaches you some math skills, and it helps you improve your communication skills. तो जब हम कंप्यूटर पर कोडिंग करते हैं तो ना सिर्फ हम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं बल्कि हम बहुत से अदर बेनिफिट्स भी गेन कर रहे होते हैं. We use computers to solve problems, play games, etc. They help us to work more effectively, perform repetitive tasks, store and recall information, create new things, and connect with friends and the world. Everyone can learn to code. It is just like solving a puzzle or riddle. You apply logic, test your solution, try again and solve the problem. इन तमाम चीज़ों को अप्लाई करके हम कोडिंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए अब हम कोडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. Now it is your turn to start coding. कोडिंग स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम ये सीखेंगे what is a sequence. A sequence is a set of instructions to complete a task given to a computer. Let's learn a few coding commands. Right arrow means move one square forward. Down arrow means move one square down. Change the next color with this cursive handle. Left arrow means move one square backward. This up arrow means move one square up. And this Z means fill in square with color. अब हम एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं सीक्वेंस की. Step 1, move one square forward. Step 2, move one square forward. Step 3, fill in square with color. अब हमें यही स्टेप्स अगर सिंबल्स में लिखने हो तो हम इसको इस तरीके से लिखेंगे. The code will be written as right arrow and Z. तो चलिए चलते हैं अब एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं कोडिंग की. Let's look at another example to draw the image using both plain English instructions and coding symbols. English sequence. Step 1, move one square forward. That means a right arrow. Step 2, move one square forward. Again, right arrow. Step 3, fill the square with color. यहाँ पर हम Z place करेंगे. Move one square forward. Move one square down. Step 6, fill the square with color. Step 7, move one square backward. Step 8, move one square backward. Step 9, fill the square with color. Step 10, move one square down. Step 11, move one square forward. Step 12, fill the square with color. Step 13, move one square forward. इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके हमारे पास कुछ इस तरह की शेप बनी नजर आएगी. हम कुछ इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर सकेंगे और इसकी कोडिंग, इसका कोड और इसकी कमांड्स कुछ इस तरह से नजर आएंगी. Let's understand the concept of sequence using another set of coding instructions. हम जानते हैं हम इन स्टेप्स को और इन कोड्स को यूज करेंगे to move right, to move left, move up and move down. In this grid, your task is to help the rabbit reach the carrot. Using the minimum number of steps, How will you do it? हमें इस रैबिट को इस कैरेट तक लेकर जाना है इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हुए. This is just like tracing a map. हमें इस रैबिट को हर स्टेप पर इंस्ट्रक्शंस प्रोवाइड करनी है. The first step will be move down, move right, move down, move right, move down, move down, move right, and move right. इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके this rabbit will get to the carrot. Review. Coding is the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. Coding enhances creativity. Coding is just like solving a puzzle or a riddle. For coding, we need to apply logic, try a solution, experiment a little more, and then solve the problem. A sequence is a set of instructions used to complete a task on the computer. And the checkout activity for this chapter is what would happen if there were no coding in the world. And also you will have to reflect on this, that what is the significance of coding. Give some examples of coding.